The tornado. I'm so bored. So bored. Breaking news. Today there will be a tornado. Everything will happen. A lot of stuff. I mean a lot when I mean a lot. A lot of stuff will happen. Rumbling, shaking, even an earthquake. Who could imagine? Thank you for watching the news. What? Oh wait, I almost forgot about these. When can I open it? I'm gonna go west, Mom. Pretend that it was already morning. Mom, I already watched the news. Okay, but that's not what I was here for. Yes, sweetie. Can I open these presents now? After the storm happens. It's getting dark. We have to go to bed. Okay, sweetie? Okay, Mom. Go to my PJs. Okay. I'm gonna hide these so the storm doesn't get them. And I'm gonna get my pajamas. Where are they? Where's my pajamas? I gotta go looking for them. Found them. Okay. Can you guys go away since I changed? I see you. While she's changing, I guess I'm already in my PJs though. I don't know. Take my glasses off. But these ones are my comfortable glasses. And yeah, they're supposed to have a little sister, but the little sister is just not working right now, so don't mind. Okay. I don't know what to do. Y'all, wait. I forgot to do something, y'all. Hold up, real quick. I saw this on the phone and I thought it was very creative. They used a big one because they had two, but I'm going to use the small one because I can't. Kitchen. Oh, I'm done. Where? Yeah. Isn't it so creative, y'all? Right? Yeah. I'm gonna put some plants. It was very creative. Right. So creative, y'all. Why is the Tristan here? I'm gonna move this simple. Move it right here. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't think I need it. I can just put it in there. And I'm gonna put some. Where do I put this? Get in here, Roasty. What? So Loki, I don't need this anymore. She's an only child. I'm gonna take a shower, y'all. So get out here. Y'all, I'm done changing. Well, I might as well just go on my phone until the storm starts. So pretty bored. So I need water. I might get on my headphones. Oh my gosh, so I'm done in the shower and I just noticed I love the shower now, so okay. Now I'm gonna go and clean. So I'm bored right now, y'all. Well, I'm gonna take my glasses off. Oh my gosh, sorry. Oh my gosh, is that? Oh my gosh, is that a thunderstorm? Oh my gosh, the thunderstorm has started. I gotta put this stuff away. I'll actually put this in my backpack. Fit. OMG. I gotta bring my journal. I wanna bring my journal so bad. I really hope there's Wi-Fi where we're going. I really. Does my phone really matter? Because I really want my journal. Does my journal really matter? It has my diary stuff in it. My diary. Do I put it in my mouth? No, I can't do that. What if I'll bring my backpack? Sweetie, pack your stuff! Mom, do you even know what I'm doing? What are you doing? Packing my stuff! Sorry! I'm bringing all my clothes. I'm literally scared right now, bro. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a lot of clothes. I don't even think that's gonna fit in here. Imagine, y'all. Hold up. Oh, imagine. Oh, wait. I gotta hold those. No. Get changed. Sweetie. Wait. Does my glasses really matter? Yeah. I think this one's better too. Let's go. Let's go. Sweetie, go in the elevator. Okay. gonna set this down for a little while. Wow, that's heavy. Now I'm just gonna keep it. What was all that noise? But anyway, let me go look in here for a box. Yep, the biggest box. Okay, let's pack all my clothes and stuff. Why aren't the lights on? Because it's make it. Well, I do think it changed. Ooh, yes, art toothbrushes. Why did my daughter think of that? I'm not take my favorite, my book. I don't think we need to take showers in there. Hold up. Oh my gosh, baby. Okay. I did not mean to open that. Okay, yeah. Let's go. What do we go back to the backyard? I know where a safe place is. Come in, Mom. Wait, should we go to the front way? No, we're gonna jump over the fence. Okay, I guess. Wait. I did not know. He's gone. 1 and a 2 and a. And 1 and a 2 and a 3. They jump over the fence. Mia, I have to stop you there. Why? There's a policy of no offensive outfits, but look at all of them. That one of the boys is even dressed up for school, like, and I'm dressed up for a mall trip, and my mom's dressed up as like running for a mile, and this girl also looks like she's dressed up for a mall trip, and this girl is that girl right here is like dressed up to go to a running trip. That's none of your beeswax. Just. Do you guys have a ticket? Who said we had a ticket? Oh, no, that's food. Nope. I did not see that. Of course we don't have a ticket. Why would we need a ticket? Actually, I got a ticket for 2. There you go. Thank you. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Okay. Thank you, I guess. Throws. That was not. I guess that was useful. What a waste. Cut! Crumble, crumble, crumble. So. Pretend that went in there. Well, I guess that was not useful. Just come on in. Hey, did you guys have to use a... Hey, they took the ticket. Did you have to use a ticket? No, why? I did have to use a ticket. But, like, that was no fair. I know, but you can put your stuff up there since there's nobody there. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get my phone out. Let me close my phone. Here's my phone. Here it is. Okay, y'all, is there any seats? I think there's some in the other room. Is there another room? Yeah. There's outfits. Okay. You saw nothing, y'all. Why isn't there anybody here, actually? That's fine. Yes. Okay. Oh, at least there is some chairs. Oh, hi. Oh, wait. You look familiar. Hold on. Aren't you at my school? Yeah, duh. Okay. And why do I care? Anyways, can you just go away? Ew, you're disgusting. Get away from me. Why not? Just get away from me. You're disgusting. Fine. Get away. Just get away. You're wasting my time on my phone. Bye. Oh, he looks like a zombie pose. I'll get her someday. Finally! Okay, let's go back to work. Oh, my family is calling me. Hello? Hey, Circle, do you want to come over? Sorry, no, actually there's a thunderstorm coming on. Oh, I forgot about that. So, sweetie, I'll go somewhere else safe. Okay. Bye, Grandma. Dear sweetie. Bye, honey bun sugar plum. That's a song. Can you stop saying that? You know it's a song already. Sorry, I just love singing it, sweetie. Love you, my biscuit. My little cupcake. Thank you, Grandma. Love you. Love you. Okay. So what is this? Oh. No. I was just time to leave. It's very dark in there. I am not going in there. Okay. It's pretty dark in here. I would like more lights, but this is not light. Okay. Oh, you're already out. How surprising. Yeah, he's gonna be the stalker from now on. Part 2 is gonna be the stalker, okay? Oh, well, looks like you're here. Yeah, and who invited you to come here? You're wasting my time again. Come on, you like me, right? No, dude. And you're giving me the chills. Just go away, okay? But you like me, right? Bro. Ugh, this guy's such a creep. But, mine. Ugh, this guy is such a creep. Can you just go away? Come on, I know you like me. Mwah, mwah. Howdy, shawty. Ugh, disgusting. Disgusting. Can you just go? This is so disgusting. Mind. OMG. Ugh. Can this guy just get out of my way? I'm trying to get my... Wait. My phone. My phone. Wait, I left my phone. Oh gosh, I left my phone. Oh gosh. That was so close. I could have left it here. Ugh. Mine. Okay. I don't know if that creep's gone. Oh, come on! Can you just get out of my way already? But you're a hottie. Mwah, mwah. Mind of the creep. He is so hot. Why can't I just leave her? Can you just leave me already? Like, fine. Fine, but who? Fine, but who really cares about you, anyways? You care about me? Nobody told you that. Nobody told you that. Bruh.
Me and Mommy did this together.
Bruh.
Mommy drew the...
Yeah, don't mind who just... Hold on, don't mind who just walked in, and don't mind shower noise. My dad's taking a shower. My twin just walked in, so... you just asked me, you creep. You give me the jiggles. What do you mean I asked you? Oh, right. Can you just get out the way? Fine. Nah. Finally. I can go put my phone down and... Oh. Yeah, I just forgot I can... Mom, I already told you once. I don't want
Hey,
to wear
I'm
the
throwing this
hat.
out. Hey,
Come on, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Come on, sweetie. You look good in it. Mom, I already told you I don't like pink. Is this him? Yes, that's him. You go deal with that. I forgot to put my phone away. The drama. Okay. Okay. And first of all, yeah, you did this to your best friend. Dun dun dun. I'm just putting everyone back. I'm bored. I'm too bored to Loki. I'm too bored to Loki. I'm too lazy. So, hold up. Well, but everyone's gone, I guess. Well, OMG, I can't get her backpack. Finally. There's a plate in here? Wait. There was a plate in there? Where's my phone? The signal? Sweetie, where'd you go that? You don't know what the signal is? No. Where are my stuff? I look so weird. No, Mom doesn't have to carry all the stuff. Let's go, Mom. Okay. They come home. They go. Oh no! They go to sleep. Good night, y'all.